Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. Some there are whose spoken sounds pervade everywhere, explaining truth in accord with mental inclinations of beings. Through inconceivably many eons, taming oceans of countless beings. Some have infinite beautified worlds. Their congregations are pure, sitting solemnly, Buddhas like clouds spreading over, filling the oceans of worlds in the 10 directions. The techniques of the Buddhas are inconceivable, all appearing in accord with beings' minds, abiding in various beautified fields, extending throughout all lands. Then universally good again address the great assembly. Buddha children, know that the oceans of worlds have as many spans of existence as there are atoms in an ocean of worlds. That is, some abide for an incalculable eon, some abide for an infinite eon, some abide for a boundless eon, some abide for an incomparable eon, some abide for an uncountable eon, some abide for an unspeakable eon, some abide for an inconceivable eon, some abide for an immeasurable eon, some abide for an inexplicable eon. There are as many such spans as atoms in an ocean of worlds. Then, to review, universally good, looking over the 10 directions by the power received from the Buddha, said, among the oceans of worlds are various ages, adorned by vast, extensive technical skills. Observing all the lands in the 10 directions, the differences in the measures of their ages become clear. I see that the eon lengths in the world oceans of the 10 directions are innumerable, same as sentient beings. Some long, some short, some are without bounds. I now tell of them by the Buddha's voice. I see the oceans of lands in the 10 directions. Some abide for eons numerous as atoms, some for 1 eon, some for numberless. Each is different due to the variety of vows. Some are wholly pure, some wholly defiled. Then again, in some, purity and defilement are mixed. The structures of the oceans of vows vary, abiding in the conceptions of sentient beings.